AI-powered healthcare may save millions of lives.
Security systems are becoming smarter and more autonomous. And artificial intelligence is transforming the global marketing industry. The future workplace may become increasingly isolated.
Automation is reshaping how goods move around the world.
Data may become the most valuable resource of the future.
Data may become the most valuable resource of the future.
Many communication jobs are already being automated.
Experts remain divided about the long-term impact of automation. And Vort of the Morsecast events. Experts remain divided about the long-term impact of automation. The artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence may manage every aspect of daily life.
Adapting to new technology may become essential for survival.
The cities of 2040 may look almost unrecognizable.
Machines can now work continuously, without rest or emotion. Retail automation is rapidly changing everyday shopping. Virtual workers may soon become normal in modern companies. Air travel is becoming increasingly automated and intelligent.
The world itself may become connected through one intelligent system.
For many people, the future may bring uncertainty and difficult change.
Automation may also improve the quality of life for millions. Learning itself is entering a completely new era.
Some jobs may survive by working alongside artificial intelligence.
The scale of future automation may be unlike anything humanity has seen before. The AI revolution is only beginning. Artificial intelligence may become part of every home on Earth. Future machines may become almost indistinguishable from humans. By 2040, AI could reshape civilization itself. The final question is not whether AI will change the world, but whether humanity will adapt in time.